standing here today at the threshold of a moment stamped in the golden chapters of our institution's history, my heart overflows with gratitude and joy. We gather not only to celebrate time, but to celebrate God's faithfulness, the commitment of our pioneers, and the shared mission of all who have walked through the portals of this institution over these 50 blessed years. The tiny seed which was planted in Tirukala in 1975 today stands tall as a beacon of light for thousands of young minds. A lamp does not speak, it simply shines. These timeless words remind us that true greatness lies not in noise, but in the gentle, persistent, radiant service. Today, as we gather for the grand conclusion of the Golden Jubilee of the MSMHC presence in Tirukala and of Christu Jyothi Higher Secondary School, we celebrate 50 luminous years in which Christu Jyothi, the light of Christ, has indeed been a guiding flame that has illuminated hearts, shaped character, and enlightened young minds across generations. Esteemed guests, sisters, teachers, and parents and students, it is my profound honor and joy to extend to each one of you a warm and heartfelt welcome to this momentous occasion. We are truly privileged to have with us dignitaries whose presence grace this event and strengthen our shared commitment to education and to community. With deep reverence and gratitude, I extend our warmest welcome to our chief guest, Reverend Father Binoy Matthew, the Director of Bethel, the Social Service Center of Tura Diocese, and the Director of Medfarm. He is a social activist who works tirelessly for the upliftment of the society through employment to young boys and girls, focusing on sustainable development and the resources of the land and the safety of our tribal land. Dear Father, your presence here elevates our celebration with a spiritual grace and pastoral warmth. We are deeply honored to have you as our chief guest on this milestone moment. With a heart full of affection, I, on behalf of the management staff and students of Christu Jyothi Higher Secondary School, affectionately welcome you to this moment. I request the school representative to welcome Father symbolically. Let us give him a huge round of applause. Louder. The guest of honor has not yet arrived. So we have also a parent representative who will be addressing us to this celebration. So I do warmly welcome you, Sri Tadesh Bimara. So let us give him a quick round of applause and welcome him. To our ever supportive parents who place their trust in us, we extend our warm welcome and gratitude. Your trust, cooperation, and partnership in this noble task of education have helped this institution flourish across 5 decades. Your partnership is invaluable in sustaining this life. So a very hearty welcome, our dear parents. Dear children, let us put our hands together louder and welcome our dear parents. Louder. A heartfelt welcome to the teachers and staff who are the backbone of this institution. You are the gardeners who nurture young minds, the mentors who shape future, and the torch bearers who uphold the ideas of this school with the dedication and love. Your commitment and passion have kindled the flame of knowledge and character through the decades. You are the true keeper of our school's light. So I welcome you, dear teachers. Welcome to our beloved students, the heart, the joy and the purpose of this institution, who give life, purpose and joy to this campus. You bring life to our vision, energy to our mission, and pride to our accomplishments. To each one of you, I extend a sincere and affectionate welcome. As we conclude 50 glorious years of growth and grace, we remember with gratitude the vision of our holy founder, the courage of our pioneers, and the tireless efforts of all who have been part of this sacred mission. Today, it is not only a celebration of the past, but also the reaffirmation of our commitment to the future towards nurturing minds, shaping character, and building a world rooted in compassion, integrity, and excellence, strengthened by our values, enlightened by knowledge, and guided by faith. May this celebration of the Golden Jubilee inspire us to dream boldly, to serve selflessly, and remain rooted in the principles that shaped our humble beginning. Once again, with immense joy and heartfelt gratitude, I welcome each one of you to this memorable celebration. May God's abundant blessings continue to accompany us. Thank you, and God bless us all.